Okay guys, I'm in my house and I will go there in the park. So follow me. We're playing with my friends. Okay. Okay guys, I'm playing with my friends outside. Okay, let me do this. I'm playing with my friends cause I did not vlog a lot outside. Okay, I never vlog outside of our house. So, let me teleport. Okay? I teleported, guys. Okay. Let me stop being cringe and let's go right there. Laban! Bro, Laban! Pate! Pate! Basta! Uy, uy, bulan! Uy, bulan! Team! Okay. We're team! All of us are team. What's the name? Go! Nice! Benon! Basta! Basta to me. Basta to him. No! I take it! Okay. Basta! Basta! Don't. Ay, wala. Ah, man! Amen, guys! Sorry for not doing it. So, wait, bro, are you sure they gonna see us? Of course, the basketball. Oh, wait, I'm gonna try that. Ah! Kasi tubo yan! Dribble. Dribble that. Yeah! We haven't gone! I'm shooter now. I'm a boy. Ay! See! Okay, do I have a nurse? Ay, wala. No! Save it! Nice one! Why? Shoot it! Ah! Brian! Lapit na yan eh. Ang lapit na, di ka na-shoot. Yun oh! Mali pa ako! Iyak na ako! Anong klase iyak yan? Okay guys! Guys! I will speak Tagalog! Ay! Let's speak Tagalog! Sige! Tara! Tagalog! I don't know. Basta! Bangkulo! Pati! Basta! Wala ba? Uy! Yung team! Basta! Basta! Uy! Benon! Isuhot! Hindi. Ang init! Ang init! Ay, wala. Oy! Oh yeah. Team! Yeah? Do it right now! No! Bro, it's so hot! Let me get the phone and let me rest. Let's rest. Let's rest. Check out my. Parang nga. Upo ka dyan, oh. Teka! Brian, nasan yung sapin natin? Na? Yung sapin.
Nandun.
Nandun sa
Si Kobe.
kulay green.
Si Kobe.
Nasa bahay.
Nasa kulay green. Nasaan?
Ito nasa bahay na green.
Kunin ko. Saan?
Sa bahay na green.
Nakikita ang yellow na sapin.
I have 5.
Where is it? Nasaan?
Nandun. Ano, nakuha niya? Ano? Diba? Diba? Ah! Kaya nakakashoot ko dahil mabigat.
Sino?
Ato. Okay guys. I speak Tagalog a lot, so I'm speaking Tagalog for now. Just in this video. This is the last you see me